What you got, Heidi? Got your knees? Got boo-boo on your knee?
No.
What happened? Did you fall down? Did you fall down?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you fell down, didn't you?
Oh.
It hurt? Who is that?
Nothing.
Baby? Where's the baby?
Oh.
Yeah, little girl, huh? You ready for bed? Want me to take you to bed? You sleepy? Hmm? Did you get a bath tonight?
No.
Yes, you did. Did we say prayers with Naomi?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did, huh? Mommy went to mass? Hmm?
Mama.
Yeah.
Put down.
Wanna get down? You ready for bed?
No.
Hmm? Let's get you to bed. Oh, where are you going? What are you doing, Heidi?
Only me.
What do you got now? Wanna come back up? There we go. Now we're gonna look at your knee again, huh? Let's show 'em your knee. What do you got on your knee? Let's see if we can see it here. Get close up on the knee. There it is. There's a little knee there. And here we have a sleepy girl. Doesn't want to go to bed for Dad. You ready to go to bed? Okay.
Oh no.
No? You want to say goodnight? What are you doing now? Hmm? You are so sleepy, Heidi. You are so sleepy, you don't know what to do. Anybody who sees this YouTube video is going to say, that little girl is sleepy. Okay, well, we're done with you. This is a long one, almost 4 minutes of you goofing around. Who is that? Who is it?
Daddy.
That's Daddy. Say Daddy.
Daddy.
Yeah, say bye-bye.